Good afternoon, teacher. How are you? Teacher, my name is Luis Fernando Castro Galarraga. I am a student of the Logic Management Technology. I would like to present evidence number 5 of the learning activity number 14. Allow me to explain 8 of the points of the survey conduct. Point number 1. The consumer only recommends the company in 50% of the case. The reason may be that they does not frequent the store very often or is an occasional customer. Point number 2. The consumer is not completely satisfied. The reason may be because he has only made one purchase or the service was not as quick as they thought it would be. Number 3. The consumer thinks a good relationship is what required is quality and price, which is positive for the store. Point number 4. The consumer perception is comfortable and positive because the product needs the needs for which I was purchased. Number 5. The rating is positive because the consumer confirms that the quality of the product purchased is good, but allow use to see that it can be further improved. Number 6.6. The answer given reflects that the consumer still has doubts about the quality-price ratio, as previously stated in question 3. That is to say that this factor needs to be improved much more. Point number 7. The answer given shows use that the will should improve the attention to the information of the product we are offering. Science in the sale is as essential to provide all the information of the product, which allow use to win the consumer. Behind the first purchase is a factor that must be improved because the first purchase should be fluid, not only generating the sale but also creating customer loyalty, generating satisfaction, so that is the first of many purchases. Point number 9. This question goes hand in hand with the previous one. In the first purchase it reflects the attention, the good treatment, the sale, the relevant information is provided, which allow customer loyalty and with a new one. If the above is not present, it is likely that the consumer does not return. Point number 10. In referring to the product was the positive point, but variety is required to expand new customers and opportunities. Teacher, the type of tool used was correct sign. It allowed use to measure the doubles, concerns and needs that the client had. It also allowed use to evaluate and know more about the client. Teacher, thank you very much. Bye bye.